Hey, good morning, food friends. Hope you're all doing great out there. Just wanted to take a couple minutes to let you know what's going on, why I haven't been posting videos for a couple of weeks. Kind of got a lot going on right now. First of all, I've got an injury that I'm dealing with, and I hurt my foot kind of bad. It was swollen up like a softball like a week ago. I've gotten some work done on it, and I'm taking anti-inflammatories and all the normal stuff, icing, hot soaks, all that stuff. And it's got most of the swelling down, but what had basically happened is since I have been working at home for the last 5 years, a lot of my time is spent sitting literally in this exact same place where I'm filming right now. And since I'm sitting most of the time, I'm not really getting the activity that I need. I'm not getting out and walking enough every day. So I started doing that again, and I aggravated my foot really bad. I've got arthritis and some other issues from when I used to do martial arts when I was young. And, that damage is sort of carried over, and I've got some arthritis, but this got a little worse. So I'm going back to see the doctors in the next couple of weeks. Just going to see what we can do about it. I've got the swelling down mostly, but obviously I'm having trouble standing. So standing in the kitchen and filming recipes is not really working for me right now. Thankfully, I get to work at home, like I said, so it's not a big deal. The other thing that's going on is at work. I am extremely busy this week and last week and will be for the next couple. I'm going to try and get some filming out, but I've got a lot going on at work, a lot. And what I mean is we are currently sunsetting a software platform that I've worked on for 10 or 11 years now. And on top of sunsetting that and helping with support and, helping our company and the employees deal with those issues and the sunsetting of that software, I'm also dealing with learning a whole new position for when my position gets shut down. So I'm learning a new job and I'm shutting down my old job, plus trying to film and do everything else. So my creative energies are sort of drained right now. I'm spending all of my energy basically learning my new position. So more to come. I'll be back doing food recalls and other food awareness stuff. I will be doing more of the recipes very soon, just between the foot issue and everything going on at work. It was a lot. So thank you all for supporting me. I'm just going to shoot out this little 2-3 minute video. Shouldn't be that long, but I just wanted to let everyone know what's going on. I really appreciate all of your support. As always, like my videos if you're going through them, the recipes or the food awareness stuff. I really appreciate it. And I hope you all have a great day and the rest of your week. And I'll be back soon. Take it easy, everyone. Be well. Peace.